This is Rick from Fort Madison Paranormal, or FM Paranormal, and I'm getting ready to do an investigation of the woods down here. We had a young gentleman pass away a couple years ago, so here we go. Okay, last time I was down here, you made a joke. My girlfriend asked you if she threw a rock from here, do you think she could hit me in the head? You answered maybe or yes. So, I'm here to find out if I can get another EVP session with you, or catch something. Look at these people leaving all this trash. It's freaking ridiculous. Pisses me off because I live down in this area. And people just come down here and drop their trash off. See, there used to be a house that sat back in here, right here. Here's the foundation for it. There's anchors. That's something I didn't see the last time. I feel like I'm being watched. Here's more of that house that sat here. You know, it's a shame. We had a guy that was living back here a couple winters ago, and we didn't know it. And railroaders, yeah, as you can tell, I'm right next to the railroad tracks. The railroaders ended up finding him passed away next to a fire that had burnt out. And if I'd have known he was down here, I'm one of those that, you know, I'd have given him a place to stay for a couple days. Food in his belly, warm shower. And it's sad because I can see this area from my house. Now I knew that there was people living underneath the train bridge, but that was in the summertime. I didn't know anybody was living back here. You know, I think this is the area here that they found them. They found them frozen solid. And I can't remember what the gentleman's name is. Sounds like I had someone coming up behind me. There's a pine tree. Is that a palm tree? Or palms? Yeah, sorry, train noise is gonna get loud here in a minute. We got a train pulling in. I don't know if I can get this high enough or go far enough, but see if I can get this before the camera shuts off. But up in this area here, you can see the train tracks right there. And then there's the rail station. And this is roughly where they found that young gentleman. Well, I'm gonna head up out of here. See if I can get out of here without falling on my ass. A lot of wet logs. There's a sticker on a tree over here. Oh, that fog that you see, or whatever you want to call it, that's my breath. So don't go spastic over that. But yeah, there's palms. The hell are palms doing growing in freaking Iowa? Seems a little odd to me, don't you think? Well, my camera's about to go dead, so I'm gonna get out of here. And before it actually shuts off, peace!